All right, guys, Anthony Subaru Service. Chad's truck. We got it. It's building about 100 and some odd pounds of ICP trying to start. So we've got something. It did not actually pop like a hot air test, like a hot no start. It's well, basically where we're at. I mean, let's see if you can hear it. Okay, we've got air hooked up to it. Let's see if I put the microphone there, if you guys can hear any wind. I don't know if you can or not. But there's no noise like there was oil in it. So either we got a really big leak that just let the oil drain out, because normally you hear it start to pop and crackle as it pushes the air out of the leak, as it pushes the oil out of the leak. But we didn't hear that. We're just hearing straight air. It's quite a bit. So either we got a really big leak. I can't really discern between driver or passenger side. So where we're at right now, we need to yank both valve covers off. We need to yank both valve covers off. It does still have an EGR cooler on it. So, I mean, if it's an STC fitting issue, because this is an 05, then it's, it's so big that it's not even holding oil in the oil rails, because right when we hooked it up we heard no popping. So it's a big leak. Let's hope it's not STC fitting. If that's the case, intake off, turbo. Basically it'd be time to put an intake on it, Y pipe. But right now what I would start with is to get the valve covers off and see if dummy plugs need to be updated. Listen closer at the nipple cups going right into the injectors. Listen there and hope like hell it's not coming from the center of the STC fitting. Well, let's freaking hope not, because that'll suck. But we're just, I don't know, we're going to send this video to you, Chad. It's just, it's valve covers off. We need to yank both sides off and hope like hell we don't have to yank the intake and the high pressure pump cover off. Because only building 100 pounds generally is not an IPR valve. Now, it does have, it looks like the right IPR valve, but there's an 03 screen on it. There's a little bit of stuff in it. And I actually already tested this. We tested it in another truck, just because we have another truck right over there. So we put that one is an IPR valve failure. So I tested this one real quick just to make sure, and the truck fired right up. So this IPR valve is good. We need to put a different screen on the tip of it. Other than that, you know, it's not an IPR valve issue, which who knows. So just kind of figured I'd make a quick video before, because it's kind of extreme. We got to yank both valve covers off and expose all the plumbing. Hopefully not expose all the plumbing, but we got to expose the oil rails. So freaking sucks. All right, guys, quick video. Have a good day.